Sir, if different topic lang po, may we know if the topic on the immigration, particularly on the undocumented Filipinos, has been raised or no?
It's not been raised. It was not in this forum. But we are of course well aware of the situation. And thus far, I think, in our estimation, what the United States is doing now is not anything different than they've been doing before. Ito yung mga may record o yung mga wanted o yung mga convicted, lalong-lalo na kung sila ay illegal, TNT sila, yun ang mga pinapauwi nila. Sa ngayon, yung mga pinapauwi nila, ganun pa rin yung mga those that have been convicted of committing crimes that are also in fact illegal. So that's the situation with the immigration so far.